Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most today. Thank you. All right, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Aquarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Aquarius, Seven of Wands, King of Cups, the Hermit, Five of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, the World, and then the Page of Wands. Alright, Aquarius, bottom of my deck I have the Ten of Wands in reverse, which is a wonderful card. This is about letting down burdens, putting down baggage. Maybe somebody here is feeling they have to protect themselves maybe, or block out somebody who's very emotionally manipulative. Maybe somebody who makes unwise decisions. There is a feeling of feeling left out in the cold, no rejoicing, little delay, lack of communication. But all that seems to be coming to a close now, Aquarius. There is a new beginning here. Okay, so let's start what this is. Let's see what this is all about. First, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards as usual, Aquarius. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards. So Aquarius and their person, spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Okay, thank you. Let's take a few more from another deck, Aquarius. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Aquarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Okay, and I'm going to take a couple more from a third deck, Aquarius. Aquarius and their person. All right, good to go, Aquarius. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, you're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and your inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone-cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died, and I died along with them. I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. I'm in a relationship with someone else. Still, you're always on my mind and in my heart. All I want is you. Please get to know me again. I have changed. My ex and I are just friends. Alright, Aquarius, these were some of your messages between you and another. If these were resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. Let's see what's going on here. But I'm going to start Aquarius with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aquarius. The card I have here for you, Aquarius, is Wise Decisions. My angels are urging you to make some wise decisions, Aquarius. Each one of you will know what that is for you. So, well, let's see what this wise decision is about. Seven of Wands, Spirit. Seven of Wands. Why is somebody in the Seven of Wands energy? Something wrong with the family dynamic, feeling a little blocked off maybe, or blocking their partner. This could be a marriage, this could be a long-term partnership. There is a lot of heartbreak here, Aquarius, in a marriage, okay, or something which is very structured, and somebody is trying to either block off their person or maybe see things from a higher perspective. Maybe they feel their person is very emotionally closed off, gives very little. There's a lot of stagnation in this connection now, and but still holding on for dear life. It's not like it's coming to an end or anything. Just saying, hey, I'll hold on to it and see. Let's go with the flow of energy, kind of a thing. So why is the Hermit in reverse then, Spirit? Why is the Hermit in reverse? Because staying there, I don't know how much of this is a wise decision, because as much as both of you are pretending to be happy and celebrating life, there is a Queen of Wands in reverse, feeling upset and angry all the time. There is no communication or barely any communication, or maybe not good communication, but on the surface maybe pretending all is well, right? So Heart of Hearts feeling this Three of Cups, as much as we're pretending, is actually the Three of Cups in reverse. Heart of Hearts always feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, not very happy maybe, at least one person isn't. Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles in reverse, sorry, upright, Spirit. Five of Pentacles in reverse, sorry, upright. Yeah, somebody is feeling that motivation to invest in the connection has gone, to fight for this connection has gone. This has become like a burden to carry, and Heart of Hearts wanting to release maybe this toxic connection between the two of you. Because why? Because one person always feels little abandoned and left behind, or sad, right? So Three of Cups in reverse. Three of Cups in reverse. Somebody wants to bring balance and justice into their own life, because there is no happiness. There's silence between the two of you, trying to now listen to their intuition about how to end a fight, or how to just get out of this conflict. Maybe there could be one person who could be thinking of turning their back on somebody who's very cold and very unemotional, but not really taking any action, because I do see a lot of delay in making that choice. What's this Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse? Each time I think there is a return to try and fix this, it leads to another fight or another conflict, and leads to the feeling of sadness and regret. And again, no communication. Eight of Wands in reverse. Eight of Wands in reverse. I do see a masculine energy now who's wanting to now, after all this that's happened, they do want to do the right thing now. They're ready to put in some work in this connection, I feel, because they're feeling very unmotivated by the way things have been going. I think this is this King of Pentacles who's been feeling a bit left behind, or they're feeling it energetically that, things are not exciting anymore. I always feel abandoned, left out in the cold, and they do want to, I think, now put in the work to make things right. So, the World card, Spirit. World. Yes, they feel that whatever games I was playing with my partner, eventually I've become a loser. Maybe some lies has been caught of their trickster ways. They don't want to take action now. They still have a lot of passion for their person. They do want to move forward and maybe talk to their person. Yes, they want to send a message to their counterpart to say, hey, listen, I want to talk to you. Can we just start again? Can we just begin again? Let's drop the past burden and re-begin our life or whatever. Because things are not spruced up, or then there's lack of compatibility or communication. I do feel there is a masculine energy who wants to now become the bigger one, who wants to put in the work here now. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they do want to have victory. They want to have victory and joy in this connection once again. So they're trying to make a wise decision. That's what I feel. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.